Hello, this is my online presentation assignment by myself. Hobbies and sports. Some of the sports I've played are football, track and field, wrestling, weightlifting, and some of my hobbies include going to the gym and listening to music. Accomplishments and awards. Some of the few accomplishments I am proud of are being a 4-year varsity letterman for all of my high school sports, and I've broken 3 bones and torn 3 ligaments. What I hope to learn, some things that I hope to learn in new student experience this year are how to manage my time, what classes I should be taking, and how to actually get through college. Some things that I like about online learning is that online learning is very easy and fun, and I can choose when I want to learn and work.